Welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you how to create offset in AutoCAD. So first of all, you need to draw which object to offset. After you draw your offset, so you have to select offset from the home page. As you can see, this is the offset command. If you select it, you can select your object, and then the offset means that the material will be again. So if you need to offset this one, you can identify the distance between the two objects. For example, if you need to make it 100, then you hit enter, then the gap between this line and this line will be 100. Sorry for the bothering. So we see how much it is, around 100. So this is how to offset. This is the basics of offsets. So in addition, the shortcut for offset will be you can type in your keyboard. So in your keyboard you can type offset. If you type off, the remaining will be fulfilled, then you can go to enter, and you can select your object. You can select your object. This is how offset works. Thank you.